Kurumirira makaya ma ariimi kuma matura ngurani guku bururi-ini aria makoretwo magitetia wagi wa fertilizer riu thirikari ni ariitie na ni thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari Willliam Ruto uria uma kigomano-ini kia uigithia kaunti-ini ya Kakamega kurekereria ndumiriri ya ati fertilizer ino ni gukorwo igicererwo gukinyira ariimi othe. Gucererwo gwa fertilizer ino gucungireirio ni meri iria irakuite fertilizer ino guthukira thabari-ini.
The fertilizer subsidy program is on course. We've had challenges because of intermittent supply. Fertilizer we were expecting early this month will be arriving, I think by the 10th of April because of the challenges we have in the Red Sea.
Riri kimera gia kuhanda kirigireirwo kwanjiriria ica ikuhi na ariimi mari mutaratara-ini wa kuhaririria migunda yao. Mutongoria wa bururi ni oriitie ariimi aya gukorwo na wetereri na kumerera ati ni magakorwo makiamukira fertilizer ino wona yakorwo igikinya guku bururi-ini.
Government of Kenya will make sure the Ministry of Agriculture is working round the clock to make sure that every farmer gets the requisite fertilizer before the season is over. So every farmer, we will enhance the supply of fertilizer because we believe that will enhance our productivity across all crops that we are growing this season.
Ruto ni augite ati thirikari ni igite keheri kigina gia ciringi bilioni 100 hari waki wa barabara guku bururi-ini.
In this year's budget, because of the development of roads across Kenya, the government of Kenya will be committing 120 billion Kenya shillings for development of roads across Kenya. Amongst those roads are the priority list that I was given by the Kakamega leadership.
Gukiri uguo kaunti ya Kakamega ni kugunika na kigina kia makiria ma ciringi bilioni 2 hari ukuria wa matura imwe yacio ari hinya wa thitima.
The government of Kenya is going to spend 2.5 billion on connecting 40,000 homes in Kakamega County this year to ensure that our electrification program is in every part of Kakamega County. We will be working with the leadership and other stakeholders to prioritize the list of the areas we will be pushing our last mile electricity connection intervention.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.